You can dance every dance with a guy who gives you the eye. Let him hold you tight. You can smile every smile for the man who held your hand neath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music's fine, like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun, laugh and sing. But while we're apart, don't you give your heart to anyone. And don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. Oh darling, say the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can't you feel it when we touch? I would never ever let you go. Oh, I love you so much. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks, if you're all alone, can he take you home? You must tell him no. And don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. Oh darling, say the last dance for me. Taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. Oh darling, say the last dance for me. 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 Oh darling, say the last dance for me.
This dance is called Viva La Rumba. It's 72 counts, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Step 4 right, hold for 1 count. Left foot, 4 rock, recover. Step back on left, right foot, rock back, recover. Section 2, step forward right, hold for 1 count. Step 4 left, pivot quarter right turn, weight onto right foot, facing 3. Weave to the right, ronde. Left foot, cross, side, behind. Ronde sweep right from front to back. Section 3, step back on right. Sweep left from front to back. Left foot, rock back, recover. Step forward, left, hold for 1 count. Right foot, step forward, lock step left behind. Section 4, step forward right, hold for 1 count. Left foot, step, lock, step, hold for 1 count. Right foot, 4 rock, recover. Section 5, make a half turn right, stepping 4 on right foot, facing 9. Hold for 1 count. Left foot, step, lock, step, hold for 1 count. Step forward right, pivot, half turn left onto left foot facing 3. Section 6, right foot, step to the side, hold for 1 count. Left, behind, side, cross, hold for 1 count. Step back on right. Make a half turn left, stepping on the left foot, facing 9. Section 7, side step right, hold for 1 count. Left, behind, side, cross, hold for 1 count. Step back on right, step left to left side. Section 7, right triangle, cross right, hold for 1 count. Step left to left, step together on right. Left triangle, cross step left, side step right, step together on left. Section 9, heel grind, quarter right turn. Take right hip forward, heel grind making a quarter right turn, stepping back on left foot. Right foot, rock back, recover. Heel grind, quarter right, right foot, rock back, recover. Facing 3, and begin the dance again. Then we walk through the steps with counts. Weight is on the left foot. Section 1, step 4 right, 1, hold 2, 4 rock, 3, 4, step back left, 5, hold 6, back rock, 7, 8. Section 2, 4 right, 1, hold 2, forward left, pivot, quarter right turn, 3, 4, weave, 5, 6, 7, sweep, 8. Section 3, back, sweep, 1, 2, back rock, 3, 4, step 4 left, 5, hold 6, step lock, 7, 8. Section 4, step 4 right hold, 1, hold 2, step lock, step, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, right 4 rock, 7, 8. Section 5, half turn right 4 right foot hold, 1, hold 2, step lock, step, hold, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, step pivot half turn left, 7, 8. Section 6, side hold, 1, hold 2, behind side cross hold, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, back on right foot, 7, half turn left, onto left foot, 8. Section 7, side hold, 1, hold 2, behind side cross hold, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, back on right, 7, side step left to left, 8. Section 8, twinkle right, 1, hold 2, 3, 4, twinkle left, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Section 9, heel grind, quarter right turn, 1, 2, right, rock back, recover, 3, 4, heel grind, quarter right, 5, 6, back rock, 7, 8. We'll do the counts. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there are 2 restarts on wall 3 and wall 5 after 32 counts. I'm facing 12 now. Both wall 3 and wall 5 start facing the 6 o'clock wall. You will dance 32 counts and then make a half turn right to restart your dance facing 3. Wall 3 and wall 5 facing the 6 o'clock wall. 1 hold, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold, 6, 7, 8. Here's a 32 counts. You're facing 9. Make a half turn right to restart your dance. 1 hold, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold, 6, 7, 8. So we start the dance facing the 3 o'clock wall. For the ending of the dance, it's 24 counts. You'll be doing section 9, section 8, and section 9 to end the dance facing the front wall. Okay, so section 9, heel grind, quarter turn back rock twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8, trinkles. 1 hold, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold, 6, 7, 8. Section 9, the heel grind, quarter turn back rock. Do it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the 24 counts of the ending. You'll be facing the front wall. Now the last wall of the dance. Start facing the 3 o'clock wall. You will only dance 56 counts. That's from section 1 to section 7, and then do the 24 counts ending. Last wall, facing 3 o'clock, the 3 o'clock wall. 56 counts. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the 56 counts. Do that 24 counts ending.